What's up to my friends on YouTube, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to disable all notifications while you are driving on iPhone. This is through a new feature on iPhone called Focus, and you can access it directly through the iPhone settings app and disable notifications while driving, as well as a bunch of different disabling notification features. So like I said, in order to access this, it could all be done through the iPhone settings app. And in order to access it, just click on the app. Scroll down just a little bit. It'll be about the 8th option down. You will see a section for focus. It has that little moon icon next to it. Click on that. You will be brought to this screen here. There's a few different options for disabling notifications, but specifically what I am referring to is disabling notifications while driving, and it is very likely why you've clicked on this video. So in order to do that, you will click the plus icon that's in the top right corner of the screen. And you will see one of the very first options there is for driving. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're in this driving section there, you could click that big purple button called Customize Focus there at the bottom. And once you're on this screen, there's a few different ways that you can configure the driving focus. But to start, scroll down and click on that button that says while driving that is right next to the car option. Go ahead and click on that, and it is going to take you to a bit of a different menu where you can configure your options for notifications. And this section is really important because it will dictate when the driving focus turns on. By default, it is set to manually, where every time that before you drive, you have to physically go into the app and enable it to disable the notifications. There's also another section for automatically, where it'll enable it based on however fast you are driving. And when the phone detects that, say you are going 25 miles an hour, it will know that you are driving and disable it. There is also another section there where you can have it where whenever it connects to your car Bluetooth, that is when the driving focus turns on and disables the notifications. And you could kind of see that I've been playing around in the background there where I got to the main menu. There's also an option where you can make it to where specific contacts that you set are allowed to message you and push through notifications. Say if you have a significant other, a mom or a dad, and you really want their notifications to come through when they actually send them and not once you've parked, you can have it to where those people will bypass the driving focus restriction. And for me, this was just an example of me playing around with it. I actually don't need the driving focus. So you could see once I'm at the main menu there, if you scroll all the way down, there is an option to completely delete it, and it will take you back to this screen here with the default focus settings. And like I said, this video was specifically showing you how to configure these settings for driving and allowing the notifications to be disabled specifically while you are driving. But like I said, there's a bunch of different ways that you can configure it. I may make a video in the future showing all the different ways, but you can have it where the notifications will automatically disable when you're sleeping, when you're working, and of various other tasks. But that is pretty much all I have for you in today's video. If you did find this helpful today, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.